Understanding Wii Remote Battery Issues.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a common question that many Wii users have. Can low batteries cause a Wii remote to stop working? The short answer is yes, but let's dive deeper to fully understand the issue.
How does a Wii remote work?
The Wii Remote, also known as the Wiimote, is the primary game controller for Nintendo's Wii console. It communicates with the console via Bluetooth and uses batteries as its power source. When the batteries are low or dead, the remote simply cannot function properly, or it might not work at all.
What are the symptoms of low batteries in a Wii remote?
When the batteries in your Wii Remote are low, you may notice several symptoms. The remote may disconnect frequently or not connect at all to your Wii console. Other signs might include reduced sensitivity or responsiveness, or your Wii Remote may start behaving erratically. In some cases, the LEDs on the Wii Remote might flash to indicate low battery power.
How can I fix low battery issues?
To fix this, it's as simple as changing the batteries. The Wii Remote uses standard AA batteries. Simply remove the old batteries and replace them with new ones, ensuring they are inserted correctly according to the symbols inside the battery compartment. Once you've replaced the batteries, your Wii Remote should start working as expected. So, there you have it. If your Wii Remote stops working, it's very likely due to low batteries. Replacing them is an easy and quick fix. Always ensure you have some spare batteries around, especially during those epic gaming sessions. Happy gaming, everyone!